In today's video, I'll show you how to install the low-spec patch and run GTA 5 smoothly on a 2 GB RAM PCs. Check my video description for this mod. Right-click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Open this patch, open data, and open OpenIV. If it doesn't have OpenIV installed in your PC, then check my video description for tutorial video on how to install OpenIV for GTA 5. Once installed done, open update.rpf, common data, drag and drop the two files inside. Select edit mode and select yes option, and then select this ASI manager. Make sure all three are installed, and then drag and drop these two files inside. Once you're done, go back to GTA 5. Find x64i.rpf. x64i.rpf. Open the folder. Open levels. GTA 5. Props. Procedural. p underscore poc1.rpf. And now go back, open this grass, drag and drop all these YTD files inside. Once you're done, go back, open settings, close off this OpenIV and go to documents, find Rockstar Games, open the folder GTA 5, drag and drop the settings to desktop, drag and drop this mod settings in here. Right click on the setting we packed up and select edit in notepad, scroll down to the bottom, copy this graphics card name. Once you're done, minimize this, right click on the mod and select edit in notepad, scroll down, paste the graphics card name in here, select file and select save option. Now close tab here and right click on the script hook V and select open with WinRAR, right click on the game and select open file location, open bin, then drop this input and script hook V inside the game folder, and then go back, open this audio fixes, drag and drop the shutter fix inside. Now you can launch the game, and we have successfully installed the 2 GB patch for GTA 5. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.